Hey my awesome friends, it's Anissa, and I know it's been a hot minute and it's been a while since I posted, but I'm back, and why don't you come on in? If you're new here, welcome to the Kachang Family YouTube channel. I have a bunch of videos on parenting books, elimination communication, Montessori stuff, birthing videos, motherhood videos. It's kind of all over the place, along with some travel vlogs sprinkled in. I'm so thankful for those who have subscribed to this crazy YouTube journey that I'm on. But I want to tell you where this channel is heading, and that is towards natural birth. I just want to do a lot more videos and study more about natural birth and provide more content on that. I'll still be doing EC updates up until my baby is fully potty trained, and I'll give you updates on our toddler as well. Hey, Bubba. We're just gonna do oatmeal for breakfast. Woo! Got this nice apple. I'm gonna bake this apple on the pan, and then it's really delicious. So that's it in there. What? Did you go pee-pee? Do you think you can give your brother a piece of apple?
There you go.
Stovetop apples are cooking, and then oatmeal. Just like eating. I got a baby on my hip, and here's a spoon. Okay, we're gonna do a spoonful of peanut butter. Both kids, they start their day off with a spoonful of peanut butter. You're smacking your lips. I know, you're so hungry, buddy. You get a small spoon and I'll give you some more. Here. Oh, there you go. You made it to your mouth. Here's my breakfast. I'm gonna go ahead and give the kids the baked apples when it starts to cool off a little bit more. And I just have the peanut butter, the apples, cranberries, pumpkin seeds, cacao nibs, and she's got cacao nibs and pumpkin seeds. That's what she wanted. And he's just eating as he can. And then I gave him one cranberry, but I'll give him baked apples once they cool off. Yeah. You need help? You needed to poop right away, buddy. Here. So if you do elimination communication, it's more about knowing when your baby pees and poops and everything. And so he goes right after he eats, he's done, and then he's like, getting out of this chair, and then he pees and poops. So he already pooped in his diaper and peed, whatever. And then this girl also did the same. We're washing our hands now. We're all done. Okay, dry your hands. Yeah. All right, your brother's playing. All the balloons.
It's also dirty, and then she eat that quinoa.
Thank you. You've been practice cutting this entire time?
Look! I am.
August? What month is after August? Do you remember? September. Oh, that's why. They're also filter feeders. They filter out the water. They filter out little animals out of the water and eat them.
Oh.
Now, the barnacles look like little tiny pyramids, like little
Oh, a fish like that.
Yeah, fish like that, yeah. So I'm just gonna change baby T's diaper, put a new one in, and then I'm gonna stuff one for us to go out. So I just bring one extra diaper and that'll be enough. Are you gonna change your clothes? Yes? Okay. I've been driving my husband's car because of gas prices. Is it just me, or my kids' car seats are so disgusting? And I wash it once in a while, and it's like a few days later. It's horrible. We're gonna buy, we need oat milk, we need soy milk. We need to not buy any produce, and then we need to buy tofu. Oh my gosh, okay, we made it. They didn't have tofu. Diaper changed. Now let's do smoothie. You got it? Stressed out? No French fries. Please, please. It's 1:47. They're playing in the guest bedroom, which is like also where all their toys are. I'm gonna check his diaper again. He poops so much, man. He eats a lot. He eats a lot. He poops a lot. Stop pooping so much. That's right. You don't like to poop. No more poopy diapers, please. No more poopy diapers. So yeah, little T is the explosive child. After reading this book, The Explosive Child, I'll post it like up here somewhere. I've realized that's like her. It has tools on how to deal with an explosive child and you know what that means. It's helping. It's just really hard. It takes a lot of time. There's a lot of patience, especially at her age. I know like every little thing is like a huge deal. So we're working on it. I realized that book summaries don't do that good on this channel, and I know it's not really like, it should just be maybe a separate channel. Like I should just do book summaries on one channel all in itself. But comment below what you are looking for on this channel. I would love to know. I don't know because I'm all over the place and I would love to know. Thank you.
That's why you know you had to like me iPad. Like please.
Okay, snack time for her, and then I'm going to start on some dinner. What do the froggies lay?
Eggs.
Okay, which one's next then?
Eggs.
So the arrow goes up here. Let's flip it, and I'll put some glue. Okay, and then move the glue around. We got this far, and then I wanted her to start labeling these. She's over it. She wants to practice. She's gonna practice cutting. I'm gonna clean up. All right, it's 4:30, so we have to start on dinner. And I'm gonna check baby. Let's check baby. Baby woke up, and I'm just gonna give some cauliflower crackers. Yeah? That's what you're saying. Vegetarian mushroom. It's like oyster sauce, but it's mushrooms. And then here's some vinegar. I ran out of my rice wine vinegar, so I'm using this Japanese one because that's all I have right now. And then some soy sauce. I'm just gonna mix this together, make a sauce, and pour it over the tofu and let it marinate. Whoops, I spilled. I'm actually gonna also add some sesame oil. Just makes it taste even better. All right, and then the next thing I'm gonna prep up is rice, and I am gonna make some coconut rice. That's half a cup of quinoa. Okay, now we're gonna do some shredded carrots, and that's gonna get added in. I have some table salt, and I do this for the iodine, and then also some ground ginger. So, tofu, rice, and then I'm also gonna serve the kiddos some cucumbers, and then maybe some applesauce for dessert. Let's do 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Whoa. Okay, we're not eating them all. We're playing with them though. All right, so the tofu is frying up, and then we have our coconut rice with carrots and quinoa in it. And this is just the salad from Costco. And this is some curried lentils with potatoes that I made earlier. That's just gonna be for my husband and I, Matt. Cucumbers, and then the kids love this rice seasoning. Just a little bit, and then if you want more healthier, then you can put some sesame seeds even in the rice. And then I kind of mush it up like this, and then it kind of sticks together because we are using sushi grade rice. You can see it mushes up. So his food is just extra flavorful. And then that's gonna clump together, and that's really easy for him to eat. And he's just gonna eat it out of this bowl. For the little girl, we got a bowl and some rice. It cooled off. Which part? The tofu?
Tofu.
Is it yummy?
But it's good.
Yeah, it's cooled off. Okay. Can you eat your rice? Leftover rice. And I put only leftovers here. Matt took the kids, so they're going for a walk, and then I'm gonna join them right now. Let's go. Crazy. Ooh, somebody's yawning. Okay, bath time. Let's take off our shoes. Strawberries. After the kids go to bed is when I'm gonna like do all the dishes, put away the dishes, clean up, and sweep, mop, and all that good stuff. After this, they are gonna go do bedtime. They go to bed around 8:30, maybe 9 o'clock. Anyway, thank you so much for spending the day with us, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Come on, little guys. Come on, little guy. Oh. Oh my God. No, don't spit on me. You're ridiculous.